What's the meaning of crystallized? Crystallized. Crystallized.
Crystallized. Crystallized. The term crystallized refers to the process of forming crystals, typically from a solution that has been saturated with the substance. When a substance crystallizes, its molecules arrange themselves in a repeating pattern to form a solid structure with a fixed shape and composition. This structure is called a crystal lattice. Crystallization can occur naturally, such as when water freezes into ice, or it can be an intentional process used for various purposes, such as to purify substances, create semiconductors, or grow gemstones. The resulting crystals can have distinct physical and chemical properties that make them valuable for a range of applications.